Students, this is JE class 12. Look at the simple question on the board. If In is equal to In is equal to tan power nx dx, I4 plus I6 is equal to a tan power 5x plus bx power 5 plus c, then the ordered pair, then the value of the ordered pair AB is equal to, options are also given. It is so easy question, students. It's so easy question. Now you take that solution I4 plus I6. I4 plus I6. So integration of high n is equal to tan power n. High 4. How much will be high 4? According to that, students, tan power 4. In tan power n, In tan power n, I4 tan power 4 plus I6 tan power 6. So tan power 6x into dx. So what is common from this? Tan power 4x. So tan power 4x common. So remaining is, tell me remaining, students, 1 plus tan square x into dx. What is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta. So it is, so tan power 4x into secant square x into dx. This is simple integral. So simple integral can be solved by using Putta method. Put tan x equals t. So tan x equals t. This implies differentiation of tan is secant square x dx. So dt. Substitute in that. So tan x is t power 4. So t power 4 into secant square x dx dt. So integration of t power 4 is equal to t power 5 by 5 plus c. Integration of t power 4, t power 5 by 5 plus c. Substitute for t. So 1 by 5 into, what is t, students? T means tan x. T power 5 means tan power 5x plus c. You compare this original answer or obtained answer with that given answer. The answer given for us is a tan power 5x plus bx power 5 plus c. Now you compare both. Compare this answer and given answer. So how much is there in the place of a? A is equal to 1 by 5. Come on. We don't have this term. This term in our answer. Therefore, b value must be 0. B should be 0. Tell me ordered pair, students. A comma b. So a is 1 by 5. So b is 0. Which option is correct? So this option B correct. Let us go for one more question, students. Let us move on to next question. So right. Let us solve one more question. So next question is the eccentricity of an ellipse whose center is at origin, whose center is at origin, is 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 1 by 2 if one of its directrices is if one of its directrices is one of its directrices is x is equal to minus 4 x is equal to minus 4 then equation of normal equation of normal equation of normal to hit at 1 comma 3 by 2 1 comma 3 by 2 is option A 2y minus x is equal to 2. So write 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. Option C 4x plus 2y is equal to 7. Option D x plus 2y is equal to 4. Let us solve this one more simple question, students. Let us solve this one more simple question. Solution is this is about ellipse eccentricity of the ellipse given, that is e value e is equal to 1 by 2. One of its directrices you learned that very well in your first video. Tell me equations of directrices, students. X is equal to plus or minus a by e. Equations of directrices, x is equal to plus or minus a by e. If positive x value is given, you take positive directrix. If negative x value is given, you take negative directrix. So I take x is equal to minus a by e. This implies x value given. How much is x? Minus 4 minus a. E is also given. 1 by 2. Reverse it. So that implies minus plus 4 equals to 2a. Reciprocaling. Minus plus reverse it. So 2 2s are. This implies a is equal to 2. We found a value. Now let's find out b value. B. So b square is equal to a square into 1 minus c square. For ellipse, b square becomes a square into 1 minus c square. For hyperbola, instead of writing 1 minus c square, you write e square minus 1. So this implies substitute. So b square equals a square, 2 square 4. So 1 minus e square 1 by 4. So 4 into 4 minus 1 3 by 4. So 3. We got both a and b square. Now I write the ellipse equation. Ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square. A square is 4 plus y square by b square is 3 is equal to 1. The equation of normal. First I write tangent equation. So tangent is x square xx1 by a square. Replace x square by xx1, y square by yy1. That's all. Whenever tangent is required, replace x square by xx1, y square by yy1 plus y1 by 3 is equal to 1. So we have x1 by 1. Substitute. So how much is x1? 1 x by 4 plus y by 3 into y1 is 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Get cancels. X by 4 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Y by 2 is equal to 1. So now, Normal's equation. Let us find Normal's equation. So this you know very well, students. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Perpendicular line. This represents a straight line. A line perpendicular to this is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Let us follow this rule. Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Because slopes becomes, product of the slopes becomes minus 1. You check that. So A, you apply this rule for that. Normal is, so normal is interchange 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4y plus k is equal to 0. To find out k value, you use a given point at 10. So 1 comma 3 by 2. Substitute in that. Use that given point. Substitute in that. So write. Substitute in that. So 1 by 2 into x is 1 minus 1 by 4 into y is 3 by 2 plus k equals 0. So write 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8 plus k equals 0. LCM is 8. 2 4s are 4 minus 3 plus k equals 0. So 1 by 8 plus k equals 0. So this implies k is equal to minus 1 by 8. K, you got k value. Now you substitute in that Normal's equation. Normal's equation. Even you can go for using y. What is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. That standard equation can also be used. Adanu bekadre use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. So write x by 2 minus y by 4, k is minus 1 by 8, 1 by 8, multiply throughout by 8, so multiply by 8, so 8x to 4, minus 2y is equal to 1, so we got Normal's equation. Which option is correct, students? Option B correct. Finally, we found Normal's equation. Let us go for solving one more simple question of this type. So write one more simple question of this type. Next question is so right, if a hyperbola passes through the point P, so root 2 comma root 3 and has cosine factor, so plus or minus 2 comma 0, so then the tangent to this hyperbola at P also passes through the point. Also passes through the point. So option A. So 3 root 2, comma 2 root 3. Option B. 2 root 2, comma 3 root 3. Option C. So root 3, 2 root 2, 3 root 3. Root 3, comma root 2. Option D. Minus root 2, minus root 3. Let us solve one more question, students. So simple question. Look at this. Hyperbola passes through the point. What is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Passes through the point. Passes through the point means put x is equal to root 2, y is equal to root 3. At so root 2, comma root 3. So this implies root 2 whole square, 2 by a square minus 3 by b square is equal to 1. Both is as equation number 1. Next, cosine given. So tell me cosine, students. Cosine plus or minus a comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 2 comma 0. So this implies a equals to 2. Now you use this formula, b square formula. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So b square equals a square minus a square. Substitute for AE. AE is 2, a square is 4. B square is equal to 4 minus a square. Substitute in 1. Put b square value in 1. This implies put b square in 1. 2 by a square minus 3 by b square is 4 minus a square is equal to 1. When you are attending competitive exams, you must be careful, students. Actually, solving this and finding a square value quite lengthy. It takes some time. So why can't we think a square value directly? Directly ಹಾಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪುಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ a square is equal to 1. a square 1 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that is 2 minus 3 by 3. 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. So the guessing is correct. So our guessing is correct. A square is 1. Using this a square, find out b square. So this implies b square is equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. Now write hyperbola's equation. So write hyperbola's equation. So equation of hyperbola is x square by a square is 1 minus y square by 3 is equal to 1. So now let us see that. Then tangent to this hyperbola at P. Let us find tangent equation at P. So right, just before I explained how to find out tangent equation. So tangent is xx1 by 1 minus y1 by 3 is equal to 1. So x1 y1 root 2 root 3 tangent required at the point P. Substitute x1 y1. So root 2x by 1 minus root 3y by 3 is equal to 1. The question is, so through which point? through which point among the given options this tangent is passing through. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, x is root 2 into 3 root 2 minus so root 3 into y is 2 root 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So 2 root 2 into root 2, 2 3 is 6 minus 6 minus 3 3 get cancels 2 is equal to 1, not equal to 1. Option A is not correct. You choose option B. Option B. So 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Substitute in this again. So root 2 into what is x? 2 root 2 minus root 3 into y is 3 root 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. So 3 get cancels. Minus root 3 into root 3, 3. 1. 1 is equal to 1. Which option is correct, students? Option B. I hope you understood it very well. Let us stop this class, students. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you so much.